Gemini, my air babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. This page has been a blessing to you. Your word is wisdom today. Wisdom, knowledge, and understanding. This is what you have, your prayer life, your meditation life, going out to the elements, taking your walk. When you ask Lord God, Spirit, Universe, Source, Strength, Jesus Christ, what you need to know, ask them, how could I work smart, not hard? Please guide me, give me the right downloads. Please bring the right person into my life that gives me the right advice. And then once you hear that, once you get that download, that right advice, have a teachable spirit, teachable heart to exercise that. Hi, Harriet. God has a plan for you. And I live here now knowing the beauty is to come. I don't force things that happen faster than the universe has decided for me. I learn from my experiences. Take small steps in faith and succeed. Thanks to all my efforts. Faith without works are dead. Having the faith and actually learning from your small experiences. Every experience, big or small, is making you stronger. And it's for reasons for your betterment. The stronger you are, the bigger blessings that can be trusted to be given to you, because blessings and positive energy contain their own weight. But if you're strong, Lord God, Spirit, Universe, Source, Strength, Jesus Christ, know they can trust you with it. Rain, sleet, or snow, you won't be able to drop your blessings. You'll be able to maintain it because you worked on your inner strength, your inner attributes, your personality, and you're ready for the biggest blessings that you've been asking for. Love one another, be kind to one another, love yourself. I love you too.